Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you along with me on a beautiful summer's day to South Havens, Michigan, where I'll do a little bit of paddleboarding and drone flying to show you the beauty of Lake Michigan and South Haven. This was one of the most beautiful places I've ever paddleboarded in. So if you're a fan of paddleboarding or new to the sport, this video is for you. Last summer, my sister rented an Airbnb on the shores of Lake Michigan, and I was able to come along with them to South Haven. Lake Michigan is my favorite of all the Great Lakes. Such a stunning lake with such beautiful vista views because of the high shoreline. I truly do love exercising outdoors, probably because of all the encounters with nature, but also moments like this where I'm literally chasing after a pirate ship. You just can't do that in a gym.
Welcome to South Haven, Michigan, home to the iconic Red Lighthouse. Built in 1903, this historic gem stands tall, boasting over a century of maritime tales. As you explore, you'll be greeted by breathtaking views of Lake Michigan, creating the perfect backdrop for your Instagram-worthy moments. South Haven's Red Lighthouse isn't just a beacon of the past. It's a must-visit destination for those seeking tranquility, history, and the beauty of the Great Lakes. So, pack your bags and get ready for a journey into the heart of South Haven's charm.
The Red Lighthouse stands proudly at the tip of the pier, making it a popular strolling destination for both locals and tourists. If you have an interest in fishing, you'll often find people casting their lines from the pier. On a nice, calm, sunny day, the water can be almost crystal clear on the left side of the pier. However, diving is strictly prohibited, with substantial fines for anyone daring, due to the inherent risk of the large submerged boulders along the pier.
let's set sail into the intriguing world of the Friends Goodwill pirate ship in South Haven, Michigan. Now, hold on to your hats as we embark on a virtual journey into maritime history.
I'm recording currently with a GoPro, so can't really zoom in. I was trying to use my phone, which unfortunately I cracked the screen on the week before, but I did manage to capture some video.
The Friends Goodwill isn't your typical pirate ship. It's a splendid replica of a 19th century Great Lakes sailing vessel. No skull and crossbones, but it's loaded with historical charm. As you step aboard, imagine yourself transported back in time. This ship doesn't just cruise, it time travels. Offering tours and sails, the Friends Goodwill gives you a taste of life on the high seas, Great Lakes style. It's not about buried treasure, but discovering the rich maritime heritage of the region. So if you find yourself in South Haven, keep an eye out for this majestic vessel. It's not just a ship, it's a floating piece of history. And there you have it, mates. The Friends Goodwill pirate ship, where history and adventure come together on the shores of South Haven, Michigan.
I was sailing through stormy seas that took me breath away. Sailing slowly through the western waters, over waves that crashed and sprayed. And now breathe deep, I'm inhaling. Me and the ship, there's salt in between. Leave me be, I'm exhaling. Me and the ship, there's salt in between. Yo-ho, yo-ho, yo-ho-ho, yo-ho-ho. Me and the ship, there's salt in between.
Co? O, dziękuję.
Albo ona też się robiła, ale czy to wyszło, to nie wiem.
Okej,
Z daleka to nie wiadomo.
Czekaj, ja może stanę. My aunt wanted to take some pictures here, so I did a lot of posing, and later on I found out she took some video as well. So here it is. In my opinion, Lake Michigan has the prettiest beaches of all the Great Lakes. And I think many people that live outside of Michigan have never visited, don't realize how nice it is. I've been to Florida many times, and in the summer, I think it can definitely compete with any Florida beach I've seen. And no worries about getting stung by jellyfish or anything like that. And the water does get warm enough, especially towards the end of the summer when it has had enough time to heat up. So it's just beautiful. And the lake stretches so far. Lake Michigan is so wide, you can't even see the other side, so it looks like the ocean. Prior to coming on this trip, I bought a second drone battery. I was excited to try it out and use both of them. So I ended up getting quite a few drone shots and wanted to test out the drone as well. Specifically the active track, which I haven't really used before. Today is the last day of our weekend vacation here. We rented an Airbnb, like basically a brand new house. And it's like a lake cottage. The theme of the house is a lake house. Spent the first 2 days basically just hanging around the house because it's been rainy. But however, we did go downtown and check out the harbor and the beach. Today it cleared up a little bit, so we're hoping to enjoy the day, maybe spend the day at the beach. And I'm actually going to go do a little bit of a run along the trails here. There's a beautiful cliff right next to our Airbnb on Lake Michigan, and there's a trail along the side of it. So that's the plan. I wanted to test out DJI's active track, which is a tracking feature. The drone will follow me long as I'm running. It actually worked well, really well. I was surprised how well it worked. Right, so these are the stairs. They lead all the way down to the beach. It's a little bit past the rocks. I would say it's good 50 feet, 50 meters. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm just gonna end it off with some clips of South Haven, and the eastern shore of Lake Michigan. Beautiful Lake Michigan.
South Haven's beach is a sandy haven along Lake Michigan's shoreline. Stretching for miles, it's perfect for relaxing strolls, building sandcastles, or just soaking up the sun. The beach offers a serene escape with crystal clear waters and stunning sunset views. Whether you're a beachcomber or just looking to unwind, South Haven's beach has something for everyone. Black River's dark color is caused by tannins, organic compounds from nearby plants that leach into the water, giving it a brownish tint.